Are you struggling to specify the Scala version in your Gradle project? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and get your Scala version set up correctly. I totally get it. It can be really confusing when you're trying to manage dependencies and ensure you're using the right version of Scala. Many developers face this challenge, and it can feel overwhelming. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how can I specify the Scala version in a Gradle Scala project? They referenced the official documentation, which mentions the Scala library dependency. Let's break this down together. So what does this mean? When you add the Scala library dependency in your Gradle file, you are indeed specifying the version of Scala that will be used in your project. But let's clarify how to do this correctly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will help you manage your Scala versions effortlessly. To specify the Scala version in a Gradle Scala project, the user should start by adding the Scala library dependency in the build.gradle file. This line indicates that the user wants to use Scala version 2.11.1. It's important to ensure that this version matches the version of Scala you intend to use in your project. Next, the user should apply the Scala plugin in the build.gradle file. This is essential for enabling Scala support in the project. After applying the plugin, the user can now configure additional settings if needed, such as specifying the Scala version in the Scala compile task. Finally, the user should refresh the Gradle project to ensure all changes are applied. This can typically be done through the IDE or by running a Gradle command. Fun fact, Scala was designed to be a better Java, combining object-oriented and functional programming. It's like having the best of both worlds. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to specifying the Scala version in a Gradle project is to directly include the Scala library in your dependencies. You can do this by adding the following line to your build file. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check the compatibility of the Scala version with your libraries. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to specify the Scala version in your Gradle project. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And remember to check out our other videos for more Scala insights.